This video simply shows you how to get your students to make inferences based on facts in small digestible paragraphs, small scale, before they get on to the larger scale. So here's how the model works with inferencing. Okay? Here's your small digestible paragraph. Then the student response based on the fact that they state the fact, right? They state the fact. And then, comma, I can tell, and then they make their inference right there. This is your student response. This is the structure of it, all based on the small digestible paragraph. And this is in making inferences. Alright? Okay, now you read the small digestible paragraph to the students. Native Americans had a very interesting way of catching eagles. They would dig a hole deep in the ground and cover it with brush. On the top they would put a dead animal as bait. As the eagle landed and started to eat the bait, the Native American in the hole would reach up and grab the eagle by the legs. Now for the student response. Based on the fact that Native Americans would sit in a hole covered with brush topped with animal bait in order to hunt eagles, I can tell Native Americans were both very clever as well as creative when they hunted animals. Very simple. It's based on facts in a small digestible paragraph, and it's an inference. You give them another paragraph, you read it to them, they have a student response. Another one, student response. Condition and train them over and over and over again, then you move on to the larger articles, then you move on to the larger stories, and you should be successful.